I think I have a dual answer to this. I think the courses will increase, but what will happen is the duration of the courses will reduce. And what will happen is that, I and actually Dr. Karkhanis has been discussing this concept called just-in-time education. What happens is that, let's say I want to learn pivot tables in an Excel sheet, right? The problem is that I'm going to use it today, right now, and then after 6 months, I may use it again. So if I do a 6-week course on Excel sheet, after 6 months when I need it, I won't remember it in any case. So I'll have to still refresh my skill set and do a 5-minute video. So what if every single thing that we want to learn, you will do your basic education, you'll do your basic MBA, you'll take your specialization, but you will have these small modules that you'll have constant access to from people like me, people who are industry professionals all the time. So what will happen is that you'll keep on learning. So today it'll be almost like reading my to-do list today and saying, okay, I'm going to meet a Japanese person today. So what are the 3 things that I need to learn about Japan so I can have a great conversation with that guy? And that there are 20 videos will be there, and one of those videos will have 500,000 views, and I will actually see that video and I'll know that, okay, I should take a gift for him. I should be comfortable in him opening the gift in front of me. I should learn how to eat with chopsticks, or at least pick it up with my hand and never puncture the, sushi. So there could be so many small things that I would learn, which I've learned over a 20-year experience dealing with people from Japan. But I could translate that knowledge within 2 minutes to people, and they can use it and learn it immediately. So I think you will have some specialization to get into a career of your choice. But after that, you'll have to learn a lot of things on a day-to-day basis. And that'll be much shorter duration. It could be as low as 5 minutes or as low as 1 day. I don't think it'll be like you do a 5-year, 10-year, 15-year course after you joined a company. You will do shorter courses, but you'll have to keep on learning. And more jobs will going to get replaced, right? So earlier you could take one job and keep it for 10, 15 years. Today, if you want to keep it for 15 years, you will have to learn 15 new skill sets almost every year, because parts of those jobs will keep on getting replaced with something automated, machine or AI, on a monthly, yearly basis.